Jervis Bay at the Green Patch camping ground, and I want to do a walk starting from Mary's boat ramp. This walk takes us across to Mary's beach before it heads south along the management trail. Then it turns left, heading back towards the coast, and finally goes along the cliff face the whole way down to the Governor's Head, and from there we'll retrace our steps back to the car park. Our campsite at Green Patch, absolutely beautiful with some wonderful visitors. We left the car at the car park at Mary's Beach and headed up the boardwalk and up the steps. After about 300 meters, we are at a crossroads. Now we'll be heading to the right, but we'll go left first and down to the beach. Very nice beach. Back on the track, we head along through the coastal forest. There's always something interesting to see, whether it be the fauna or flora. This whole walk is along a management trail, but there are signposts. After a kilometre or so, the vegetation changes to heathland. And after another kilometre, we arrive at this intersection where we're going to turn left. This sign was rather interesting because it told of in the late 1800s being a school in this area. We're going to continue walking up the hill. And once we get to the top of that hill, we can actually see the coast, both from the south and up to the north, and Point Perpendicular. I was interrupted by a swarm of bees or wasps. The walk continues along the edge of the cliff face, and they ask people to refrain from walking across to the edge. We're going to continue along to the Governor's Head. And there's a nice lookout. We still have to look across to Bowen Island. From here, we head back to the car park.